I am giving away two... That's not the right way. Hey guys, what's up? So, I'm super excited. Look what came in the mail. Oh yes, the giveaway palettes. I am so excited, but also, look what else came in the mail. Look what came in, that's upside down. Look what came in the mail, I'm so excited. My husband surprised me with this. Like, he ordered me 2 palettes for my giveaway, but what I did not know is he also ordered me a blood sugar palette before it sold out yet again. So I am the proud new owner of blood sugar and I'm so excited. So you guys, what is the best way that you mesh blood together? You have a blood transfusion, and with these blood sister palettes here, that's what we're gonna do. We are having a blood transfusion of these beauties on my eyeballs, and I am so excited. This one is like not even showing up. Like, what? You can't even, there you go. There you go. There, now you can see it. I immediately wanted to put these 2 palettes together in a look. So we are creating this look with both palettes today. The only other thing that I did add in was the Stila Little White Lies in Mint Myth. And this is just a topper. You can still see all the colors underneath that you put on. This just puts a really beautiful glitter top coat on. So that's what I used because your girl needs sparkle at all times, constantly. This palette is beautiful. I, of course, use the brightest colors, but I will be creating other looks with this. I also have it swatched. I will leave the picture here because, as you know, every new palette on my channel, I go over and I swatch it on Instagram for you guys. So there's my handle as well, and if you guys want to go check out my Instagram, I am also having a giveaway of the Blue Blood palette on my Instagram as well as my YouTube. If you guys are interested in winning one of these babies, I will link my giveaway video above. But also head on over to my Instagram and enter that one as well. So let's see these 2 palettes side by side, because if you guys want to see other looks with these 2 palettes together, I will be more than happy to create some more looks for you guys. So just let me know. Oh, they are beautiful. If you guys would like to see how I created this, then just keep watching. Y'all, this pink is crazy. So I'm going to clean this whole lid right here, and then I'm going to cut the entire crease, and then we're going to start packing on these beautiful lid colors. Alright, so I'm going to start with the darkest shade from the Blood Sugar palette, Coma, and I am just going to start deepening up this outer corner, and then we are going to work into the Blue Blood palette after this. Alright, so I am now going to start bringing in some of this blue blood, and I am starting with Ocean Ice. It's the really beautiful blue sparkle color, but this does have a ton of fallout. So if you guys do your makeup first and then your eye look, know that this will fall all over your cheek. Oh, I love this palette. Oh gosh, it's beautiful. Untitled is burning my eyes. Alright, that made my eyes water like crazy, so I'm gonna let that kind of calm down a bit before I add my waterline. And actually, holy crap, that made my eyes burn so bad. They are watering like crazy now. I'm going in with Santa Baby, and I'm going to line my waterline with this color. It is a really pretty burgundy, and it matches with Coma, basically. It looks like Coma. So if you guys like matte looks, you can keep this just like this and go ahead and add some liner, and it'll be a really beautiful color. Me, on the other hand, I love sparkle, so I am going in with Mint Myth, which is this beautiful turquoise, pink, purple, shifting glitter top coat from Stila Little White Lies collection. And I'm just gonna put it on my inner corner and then halfway up my lid. That's my daughter. You're welcome. She's awesome. I'm just gonna add some liner, mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm going to add blush, highlighter, and lipstick, and then this look is complete. So for blush, I'm going in with the Baked Blush and Brighten in Tropic Hues from Gellar. For highlighters, I am actually going in with these two Becca highlighters in Rose Quartz and Prismatic Amethyst. I'm going to put Rose Quartz on top and then Prismatic Amethyst on top of that. Alright, now I'm going to top it off with the Amethyst. And for lips, I am also going in with Santa Baby again, and this color is... This color, you guys, this color is... That is the look that I created using the beautiful Blood Sugar and Blue Blood palette together. So if you guys enjoyed this, let me know. If you would like to see more looks using these palettes together, also let me know, because I am very inspired right now. I feel like I could go slightly crazy with these palettes together. And remember to go enter my giveaway. I am giving away 2 Blue Blood palettes, one here on YouTube and one on my Instagram, so go enter those as well. And check out some other giveaways going on down below in my description for my friends. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!